The steam boiler is the heart of your building heating and production facility. If left untreated and proper control ranges are not maintained, it may cause scale, corrosion, and carryover, resulting in equipment failure, costly repairs, and downtime. You need a partner that works as hard as you do. You already trust our StaWatch technology to protect your cooling towers. Now, State can bring that same 24/7 vigilance to your boiler room with the StaWatch Boiler Monitor. It's not just a controller, it's a total control, feed, and monitoring system. It monitors conductivity and controls it with blowdown relay. The StaWatch Boiler Monitor catches issues before they become expensive repairs, sending real-time alerts right to your State account manager. It's like having your best technician on the night shift, protecting your equipment, lowering your energy bills, and giving you peace of mind. Now, visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out the StaWatch Boiler Monitor and more.